Welcome back to TF Delicacies. In this video, we will be showing you how to make the best masala eggplant curry. Be sure to enjoy the video. This video is related to the lentils and bean video we made earlier. If you want to check that out, click on the eye in the upper right corner. So let's get to it. The ingredients you will need is 4 small eggplants, 1/2 of an onion, thinly diced, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup of dry roasted coconut, 1 tablespoon of masala mirch powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, oil, curd, and finally, salt. Here we have ground the dry roasted coconut and we're adding the spices into it. Also, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This mixture will enhance the eggplant's flavor. In a frying pan, pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once that's heated, add in the cumin seeds. After browning the cumin seeds, add in the diced onions. While the onions are browning, we're going to be stuffing the eggplants with the mixture we made earlier. To soften the eggplants, we had already soaked them for 10 minutes in salt water beforehand. As you can see in the video, we have scored the eggplants into 4 pieces. Scored means only cutting it halfway, not all the way through. When your onions are slightly brown, add in the ginger garlic paste. Then, one by one, add in the stuffed eggplants. Here, we have roasted the coriander seeds. Make sure to grind them. This is optional. Add a little bit of water. This will help soften the onions. Then leave it for 10 minutes to simmer on medium heat. When the onion and eggplant mixture is halfway cooked, add 2 tablespoons of curd. Close the lid again and let it cook until the oil is coming out on the top. Or you can cook it on low heat for 10 minutes. Add 1 more teaspoon of salt. Remember to keep the heat low. One last thing. Check to see if the eggplants have softened. If they have, then they're well cooked and ready to serve. Plus, add the final touch, some coriander. And that's how you make the best eggplant curry. Hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please comment down below and let us know what you think about it. And as I've mentioned before, this video is related to the lentils and beans video we made earlier. Please be sure to check that out. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.